Welcome back as we head toward the back end of the week. Changes on the way tomorrow. Still mild through this time tomorrow evening, but turning sharply cooler tomorrow night. And best rain chances look to be behind this cool front. That'll be moving on through tomorrow night into early Friday. Friday morning not looking too good, but drier by Friday evening and moving into the weekend. A nice weekend, but all interest is getting piqued, at least from us meteorologists, on an Arctic front that arrives late Monday into Tuesday. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, as we take a look at what's happening across the lower 48 and starting to look like winter's entering at least the northern parts of the lower 48 from the Midwest through the Great Lakes with a stripe of snow here. We have precip back to the west, and that's all associated with a semi-active subtropical jet stream that extends back through the Pacific and is actually behind that frontal boundary that's going to be pushing on through here tomorrow evening. In fact, enough rain to warrant the risk of flood watches, flash flood watches. 3 to 5 inches of rain may fall some portions of Oklahoma into northwestern Arkansas, so that could be problematic there. Not expecting much rain with our system as it gets down here. All the support stays to the north, and tomorrow we just see clouds building in through tomorrow morning. Maybe some fog as well. We'll reassess that fog situation. Skies initially fair, but it could fog up and cloud up roughly at the same time after midnight tonight and toward daybreak tomorrow. Temperatures holding in the low to mid 60s, and it's going to be a mild one tomorrow. We'll get into the upper 70s, maybe near 80 if we see a few breaks in the clouds. The possibility of a few afternoon showers or thunder showers, but it looks like best rain chances will be behind the front. 30-40% is the stretch for tomorrow's rain chances. I think we're up to 70% tomorrow night developing as we head mainly toward Friday morning. So some light rain and rain shower activity and sprinkles likely as we head into Friday. The model may be overdone, but it certainly looks cloudy, breezy, and cool for our Friday, with temperatures holding in the low to mid 50s at best. Here's the Euro model. We'll set up for a nice and cool weekend. Mostly sunny skies Saturday, highs in the 60s, pushing the lower 70s on Sunday. Morning starts upper 30s to lower 40s, so nice and cool and above the frost zone, we think. Then a strong front moves to the south, and that's going to bring in much colder air. Notice winter weather not too far away off to the north and east. Not expecting that here. Notice our temperatures still too warm for any wintry precipitation. Then we clear out for the afternoon on Tuesday. Temperatures holding in the 40s, and then Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we could see upper 20s. Both the GFS and the European model are going 26 degrees for next Wednesday morning, but it's just a model a week away. So things are going to change, and we would favor upper 20s at this point, but more than likely the first freeze of the season in the mix as we go into next week. Another front on the way toward the end of next week, which will set up for another nice and cool weekend, but the air behind this cool front is of Pacific origin and won't be nearly as cold. So tonight, temperatures holding low to mid 60s. I think we hit our low shortly after midnight. Then temperatures rise a little bit by daybreak. Then tomorrow, upper 70s to near 80. Then you see that cooler air descending upon Acadiana, getting into the upper 40s to lower 50s Friday, and we may stay there for a good part of the day. I don't think we see temperatures much higher than 55 degrees, and that might be a stretch, and there's going to be a wind chill factor as well. So up and down weather to go with the up and down sinuses for sure as we head into tomorrow. Rain chances 30-40% in the afternoon, going higher tomorrow evening, and then as we head into the overnight hours, early Friday, 70%. Friday afternoon drier. The weekend looking good. That's the most important thing. Highs cool on Saturday, but warming up on Sunday. And then Monday we'll be watching that Arctic front with temperatures in the 30s, 40s, and maybe as low as the upper 20s. And we officially have our first blue number, verified blue number 29. On the 10-day forecast for that light freeze. 29. It won't be a pipe buster,
okay, good.
But certainly a killing freeze for the gardens.
Definitely bundle up.
Yes, exactly right.
Thanks, Rob.